Hello, friends. Now, today we are going to do our last chapter of ancient, that is the ancient literature. So, let's straight away move to the questions. Now, the father of history, who is known as the father of history? So, Herodotus. Herodotus wrote a book named Historica and is known as the father of history. The second question is, who of the following was the writer of Mudra Rakshasa? So, Vishakhadat is the author of Mudra Rakshasa. The third question, ये हमसे पूछ रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लासिकल वर्क्स ऑफ द लिटरेचर वेयर रिटन ड्यूरिंग गुप्ता एरा. गुप्ता एरा वाज नोन एज अ गोल्डन एज फॉर आर्ट एंड कल्चर ऑफ द इंडिया. ठीक है. चंद्रगुप्त टू चंद्रगुप्त टू हैड नवरत्न्स. अमरकोश जिनमें जिसमें से कि एक थे अमरकोश लिखी गई थी बाय अमर सिंह. कामसूत्र बाय वात्स्यायन. मेघदत्त बाय कालिदास and Mudra Rakshasa by Vishakhadat. So all of these literatures were written during the Gupta period. Now, which of the following class is known as Bible Book of North Indian Classical Music? So, Natya Shastra is the correct answer. Das Kumar Charitam was composed by Dandin. Das Kumar Charitam was written by Dandin. Kumar Sambhava, an epic poem, was composed by Kalidas. Which of the following dramas was not written by Kalidas? Now, Janaki, her name was not written by Kalidas, it was written by Kumar Das. Now we have to match this. Panini wrote Ashtadhyayi, Vatsyayan wrote Kamasutra, Chanakya wrote Arthashastra, and Kalana wrote Rajat Rangini. So according to this, A is the right answer. 10th question is, what is the name of Kalana's book? So, Rajat Rangini is the name of Kalhana's book. A historical work, Gaudavaho, like Kalhana's Rajat Rangini, was written by. So it was written by Vakpati. Rajat Rangini, written by Kalhana, is associated with which of the following? Rajat Rangini is associated with history of Kashmir. Now कश्मीर से एक राजा बिलोंग करते थे कनिष्क. ध्यान रखना, कनिष्क, under which fourth Buddhist council was held at Kundgram. ठीक है. This is important. Let's move to the next question. Ashtadhyayi was written by Panini. Now in this question we have to match. Bharavi was written by Kirtajuniam. Harsha was written by Naganand. Kalidas wrote Malavika Gnimitra, whereas Rajashekara wrote Karpur Manjari. Again, books पे हमें टेक्स्ट और ऑथर बताना है. रागमाला was written by Kundrik Vitthal. Rasa Kamudi was written by Sri Kantha. Raga Vibodh was written by Somnath. And Chaturudandi Prashashika was written by Venkat Raman. Which of the following Sanskrit works has been taken their theme from the Mahabharata? So, Naishdiya Charitra, Kirtajuniam, and Sisupal Vadh. ये तीनों were inspired by the Mahabharata. Das Kumar Charita, written by Kalidas, was not inspired by Mahabharata. Now 17 में विशाखदत्त wrote मुद्रा राक्षसा. ठीक है. Varamihira was related to astronomy. Charak was related to medicine. Brahmagupta was related to mathematics. Vishakhadat was related to drama. So C is the right answer. Who accepts only perception? Charvak. Philosophy में the Charvak philosophical system was also called Lokayat philosophical. इसका बेसिक बिलीफ क्या था? It rejects the concepts like God. ये नहीं मानते हैं कि गॉड होता है, ना ही ये मानते हैं कि सोल होती है. जब ये दोनों चीजों में नहीं मानेंगे तो इनका मानना मोक्ष में भी नहीं है. क्योंकि गॉड नहीं तो मोक्ष कैसा। और आफ्टर लाइफ, जब सोल ही नहीं होगी तो वो ट्रांसमाइग्रेट कैसे करेगी और आफ्टर लाइफ कैसे होगी, तो ये आफ्टर लाइफ में भी नहीं मानते। ये डू नॉट बिलीव इन आफ्टर लाइफ ऑल्सो। नाउ हु इज द प्रोपाउंडर ऑफ न्याय फिलोसफी? गौतमा. न्याय is related to Gautam. Charak Samhita is related to which of the following? Now, Charak is related to medicine. Charak, Acharya Charak is also known as father of Indian medicine. Father of Indian medicine. Now, Panch Siddhantika of Varamihira is based upon Greek astronomy. ठीक है, and Varamihira is related to astronomy, whereas Brahmagupta is related to mathematics. Now, which of the following is not correctly matched? Kalidasa, Raghuvansha, Bhasa wrote Swapavasan, Subandhu wrote Kadambari. Now, Kadambari was composed by Banbhat, so C is the not correct option. With reference to the history of ancient India, Bhavabhuti, Hastimalla, Shameshwara were famous for playwrights. Milind Panna is a Pali text. Milind Panna throw light on the Indo-Greek ruler. Which ruler? So Meander. Milind Panna was written by Meander. Milind Panna is a form of a dialogue between King Meander and Buddhist monk Nagasen. Name the source that is silent about the trade routes of the ancient India. It is Sangam Sahitya. Chandragupta II के court poet थे कालिदास, and Kalidas wrote Kumar Sambhava, Raghuvanshama and Malavikagnimittra. समुद्रगुप्त के कोर्ट पोएट थे हरिसेन, हर्षवर्धन के कोर्ट पोएट थे बाणभट्ट, जिन्होंने कादम्बरी लिखी, कादम्बरी, एंड अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के कोर्ट पोएट थे अमीर खुसरो. अमीर खुसरो was also known as Tutiya Hind, and many of the ragas were composed by him, जो आज भी इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक के कोर रागाज हैं. 30th क्वेश्चन है, द कंटेम्प्रेरी रूलर ऑफ कलाना, द ऑथर ऑफ रजत रंगनी was जय सिंह. How many tarangas are there in Rajat Rangini of Kalana? There are 8 tarangas. Who among the following continued the Rajat Rangini of Kalana? It was the Jona Raja and Sriwara continued the Rajat Rangini of Kalana. Saundaranand was the composition of Ashwaghosh. Now, Ashwaghosh propagated Buddhism. ठीक है. Naganand Ratnavali Priyadarshika was written by Harshvardhan. He was a king जिनकी कैपिटल कन्नौज में थी. And earlier he belonged to Thanesar, Pushyabhuti dynasty. Pushyabhuti dynasty. Now, which of the following works were authored by Harsha? So, Priyadarshika, Naganand, and Ratnavali. Harshcharita was written by someone else. Among the four works mentioned below, which one of the following is encyclopedic in nature? That is, Brihat Samhita is encyclopedic in nature. And Brihat Samhita was written by Varamihira. Now, which of the following are correctly pairs matched? Mritchatikam was written by Sudraka. This is correct. Buddha Charita written by Vashbandhu. Correct. Mudra Rakshasa by Vishakadatt. It is also correct. Harsh Charitra Banbhat is correct. Buddha Charita is wrong. Buddha Charita was written by Ashwaghosh. That is why 2 हमारा wrong है. So 1, 3, 4 is the right answer. Now, Varamihira wrote Brihat Samhita, Vishakadut wrote Devi Chandraguptam, Sudraka wrote Mrichakatikam, and Bilana wrote Vikramadev Charita. That is why B is our right answer. See, यहाँ पे इसको देखने से अच्छा है कि कॉपी पेन लेके ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ इसको आप नोट डाउन कर लो स्ट्रेट अवे, नोट्स में ऐड कर लो और डायरेक्टली यहीं से रिवाइज करना. इसी में से किसी ना किसी क्वेश्चन में से आपको ऑप्शन उठा के एंड द क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Kapura Manjari Harsha, Mallikagni Mitra, Kalidas Mudra Rakshasa, Visakhadatta, Sundaranand by Ashwaghosh. तो नॉट करेक्ट पेयर मुझे यहाँ पे ये लगता है. It was not written by Harsha. Harsha wrote Ratnavali etc. But ये नहीं लिखा था. Abhigyan Shakuntalam was written by Kalidas. Which of the following is not a literary masterpiece of Kalidas? Mrichakatikam was written by Shudraka. Meghdut, Ritu Sangar, विक्रमस मोर सव्यम, ये सारे कालिदास के ने लिखे थे. The protagonist of the play Malika Agnimitram was written by Kalidas is Agnimitra. Which one of the following book of ancient India has a love story of the son of the founder of Shunga dynasty? Mala Mala Vikagnimitra. Sorry, थोड़ी सी तबीयत खराब है इसीलिए खांसी है. The author of Swapnavassa Datta is Bhasha. Who is the author of Geet Govind? Jaydev. Whose court was embellished by Jaydev composer? It was Lakshman Sen. Lakshman Sen के court poet थे Jaydev. Who had composed Geet Govind? It was Jaydev. Ashtang Samagra is a play on medical. Das Rupak is a play. Leelavati is related to maths and Mahabhasha is related to grammar. That is why B is the right answer. The right is only work, but never with its fruit. This is stated in which of the following book? It is stated in Gita. In which epic it was told that where is here is also found elsewhere, but if not there, here, it's found nowhere else. It was written in Mahabharata. Which ancient Indian book has been translated into 15 Indian and 40 foreign languages? It was Panchatantra by Vishnu Sharma. Panchatantra was written by Vishnu Sharma. Vinay Patrika के ऑथर हैं तुलसीदास. सर्ववर्मा wrote Kantara. Sudrak wrote Mrichakatikam. Vigyaneshwara wrote Mitakshara and Kalana wrote Rajat Rangini. That is why B is the right answer. Who of the following is especially known for his contribution in the field of algebra? Bhaskar. Leelavati, a treatise on mathematics, was written by Bhaskaracharya. Leelavati was written by Bhaskaracharya. Aryabhatta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He also invented zero. Which of the following Indian mathematician invented decimal place value? It was Aryabhatta. Who was the author of Matta Vilas Parshana? It was Mahendra Varma. He was a Pallava ruler. The ancient name Nilotpala for Mahanadi was stated in Vayu Puran. Manusmriti is mainly related to social system. The great lawgiver of ancient time was Manu. Who among the following is considered to be the first lawgiver in India? That is Manu. Zero was invented by an anonymous Indian. Zero was invented by Indians. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? That is the nature history by Ptolemy. It is wrong. The most ancient musical instrument and given options is Veena. With this, we have finished our Ancient India series. अगर आपको ये पूरी सीरीज अच्छी लगी हो, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video so that और भी benefits हो सके बाकी लोगों को भी. Till then, thank you.